everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to whip up a new variation of overnight oats. I've made this before, but I haven't made it in a while, and I don't think I filmed it before, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm doing today. So as you know, it's fall. It's, banana bread, pumpkin pie, zucchini bread season. So what I thought I would do is I thought I would throw together some zucchini bread overnight oats. So I love my overnight oats, and I know you do too. So give me a thumbs up if you like my overnight oats videos, and let's get started. Okay, I have my handy dandy little canning funnel here. Just makes it easier for me to not make such a mess and to make things go a lot quicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I buy these in a large container to use. It just makes it easier. I buy them by the 10-pound containers from Costco. All right, so we've got that in there. So 1/3 cup of oats. The next thing we're going to add in is a vanilla almond milk. And that is the unsweetened version of almond milk. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use 1/3 cup of the almond milk and then 1/3 cup of water. And you could just go ahead and use 2/3 cups of almond milk, but I find that it was just way too creamy for me, and I like just doing half and half. So 1/3 cup almond milk is going in now. And then we'll get the water going in next, as I just make a huge mess. I thought this might be cleaner, but apparently not. What would a video be without making a mess, right? Or cooking, for that fact. All right, so we've got that in there. And it's always like a double ratio for the water to oatmeal, just to kind of make it easier. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some vanilla. So I'm going to put that in. We're going to add in some cinnamon. I guess it's easier to show you the front. And I just sprinkle some in. It's all personal preference there, I think. All right, so the next thing we're gonna just add in a squirt of Mrs. Butterworth's sugar-free pancake syrup. I'm not adding in enough to even count for a point, so we're okay there. Okay, now this next step is optional. I'm gonna add in a packet of sweetener, because I like my oatmeal a little sweeter, and if it doesn't have the right, if it doesn't taste right, I'm not as likely to enjoy it. So add the sweetener, don't add the sweetener, maybe the sugar-free syrup will be enough for you. All right, so the next thing we're gonna add in is our zucchini, and I just went ahead and gave our zucchini a fine chop, and I'm just gonna add a handful of that into each. You could have also shredded this, but I couldn't find my shredder, and I really didn't want to mess up my food processor just for this little bit of zucchini, so I just went ahead and just made little small chunks. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I used to make chocolate zucchini bread, and it used to be absolutely delicious. So what I thought I would do is I would measure out 1 SmartPoint of my no sugar added dark chocolate, and I would add it to one of these. So stay tuned. I'll post it on Instagram as to what my thoughts were for the chocolate one. My timer was going off. All right, so I'm going to add these in and see how that goes. I'm not sure on the dark chocolate if that's going to go really good in this, but it might. I mean, it might just be the sweetness, and then the dark chocolate might just give the right amount. So that's it. You want to leave these in your fridge for at least 6 hours. And after that, you want to go ahead and cook them in the microwave. I cook it for 1 minute on high. I stir it, and then I cook it for another 30 seconds on high and just test the consistency. Normally 1.5 minutes is all it takes. And just to give you the caveat as to why I do that, if you try to cook that for a full 1.5 minutes, what happens is it overflows in your microwave and nobody wants that. So I'm gonna pop some lids on this. And if you have not seen my lids, I do use these plastic lids here. They're perfect. And then they just unscrew really easily. So I'm gonna throw those on there, and then I will, like I said, keep you posted on Instagram of my results of the chocolate chip one. All right, so with that said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified each time I upload a new video. And have a wonderful day, a wonderful fall, and we'll see you next time. Bye.